So we have a FN2 Civic in today for a induction kit, which is getting fitted, and then a map using the Ecutek software. Fairly stock still, stock exhaust system, but that's later. That's to come later. He's waiting on some parts from Tegua that are on back order. So we're going to do our initial map today and then welcome the customer back at a later stage for us to continue and get some more power. Richard's going to walk straight across my shop. Thanks, Rich. Yeah, so let's see what's fitted.
Down and disappears underneath and comes off.
Not a great deal to look at, but it's definitely in there. Yeah. So that's induction kit on, and now it's time to go for a dyno session and a bit of mapping. It is a nice black end, good colour. It's actually clean, apart from a bit of bird poo on the ceiling. It's actually quite a clean one, but it is a 61 plate, so probably one of the later ones, I would imagine it. Yeah. Well, it's on the dyno. It's had its induction kit fitted by.
Use the word calibration somewhere in it.
Try and use the word calibration.
Yeah, it's
Okay. Well, it's on the dyno, and we fitted an induction kit, and now it's time to use the Ecutek software to calibrate. And we're gonna obviously start with our base. We're gonna run it in stock form now, so we get a baseline, and then we're gonna obviously put the Ecutek software on the standard ECU, which allows us to data log and calibrate. I'm gonna use that word calibrate again. Calibrate, yeah. And start data logging and
baseline. People aren't really talking about music.
Baseline. It's all about the bass. See, now I've lost my train of thought. Yeah, so anyway, we're going to tune it. Here we go. I'm just letting you know that I'm hot.
Yeah, I'm hot.
Yeah, I'm still hot.
Still hot?
Real hot.
You're not going to be any cooler, are you? Are you going to moan about it all day?
Yeah.
In the winter, you moan you're cold.
Yeah.
And then in the summer, you just moan you're hot.
I'm British.
Stop moaning. You can't have both. You moan you're cold. Nah, fucking.
Do you mind if I work in my wife fronts?
No, work with your wife. You want just like suck it up, buttercup, and get on with it.
Right, wife fronts it is. I'm coming to
Strip
work
down to your pants, mate, and I'll hose you off in the fucking doorway,
yeah.
innit?
I'll be like Tarzan, mate. I'll be in my pants.
You're not going to look that good. No fucking way.
I think that's really mean.
With your belly and your stubby penis sticking out.
That's my own jungle. It does need a trim. Maybe that's why I'm so hot, because I've got like a cabbage down there, like a crow's nest.
That's why I shaved my head yesterday. Just give it.
Oh, you shaved your head?
All of it. Everything. It's all gone.
Oh yeah?
Even my asshole.
I thought you'd been poorly.
No. I thought there was something wrong with you.
Can you shave your asshole?
Why can't you shave your
I don't
asshole?
think you can shave your asshole.
Why can't you shave your asshole?
Because that skin's like really sensitive and soft. You just nick that and you bleed to death in the shower.
Bleed to death?
Everyone's nicked themselves in the shower before and bled.
Not bled to death, obviously.
To,
well, you, yeah, because everything you do, you over exaggerate, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to let you know that I'm hot.
Yeah.
I'm going to go stand in front of the fan on this next one, but that'd probably block all the cooling to the radiator.
I was going to say, what advantage is that to anyone?
Through the features. Now this one's still got a cat in it, so there's no pops and bangs today, my friends. That's map 4 immobilised. Here we go. Well, that's that one done, Richard.
Most certainly is.
I bet it's warm in there, ain't it, mate? Did I mention that was hot?
Yeah, I mean, I could have put the aircon on, but I felt I'd be costing a couple of brake horsepower, so I suffered, you know, for the cause.
Oh yeah, yeah. I wish I had aircon in anything.
Oh no, I didn't have the aircon on. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying that.
I just suffered like you. You know what I mean?
You know when
you were just making the plea for your suffering, and I was
yeah,
just...
but you know when you're sat on the long shoot tonight in your V8 Audi with crisp, beautiful air conditioning, and I'm
you
sweating.
mean my 4.2 aircon machine?
Yeah,
yeah,
because that's what.
Yeah, that's effectively what it
for,
is. Yeah.
And I'm sat sweating my Type R seat balls off.
It's not my problem, right, that your FN2 aircon doesn't work. Why is that my problem?
I think we should invest in one of the machines that regas them.
We're not investing in a machine just so you can have AC in your thing. Pay someone to fix it.
I don't fancy that.
Well, then sweat your balls off then and don't moan about it.
I'm going to sling them out the window on the way home tonight. I'm going to be
sweat your balls off
literally
and stop moaning about it.
in my boxer shorts driving home tonight. Fact.
Why don't you give it to Beardy?
You know my car will break down as soon as I'm in my boxer shorts, there. Like the time I was in my pyjamas.
So I was in pyjamas and you rang me to come and get petrol because you'd ran out. Yeah, I remember.
And I was in my pyjamas. I didn't want to get out of the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that.
Right, that's another one done. So another one successfully tuned on the Ecutek software. Let's see. Okay, so not bad at all considering we've only got one mod, which is the induction kit. We've still got the standard cat in place, standard exhaust system, standard manifold. Yeah, and as you can see, red line is as it came in, blue line is as she leaves. We've made power in the mid-range, we've made power at the end of the rev range as well. So power across the board, not bad at all. And we finish on 209. We've actually made 15 wheel horsepower, so fantastic. 15 wheel horsepower peak increase, which you cannot scoff at. That's going to do wonders for him driving the car. He's waiting on an exhaust system still, so when he's back with his exhaust system, we think we'll unlock even more power with another bit of a map tweak. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey Rich, we'll see you on the next one.
We will indeed.
Good man.
decided to. Life moves pretty fast.